Hi everyone. Okay, I got my Felicity Jane in for the month of February and I cannot wait to see what it is. I did no sneak peek, so I have no idea what this month's looks like. It says, "Hi friend, thanks for the order. Can't wait to see what you create." And look at this. Look at the scallop. The scallop paper is so pretty. Oh my goodness. So this is what it looks like when you open it. So let's try and get everything out. I think I missed something in the last video. So I'm not looking. Let's see. Oh gosh, I cannot wait to see what it looks like. Okay, I think that was it. Yeah, I don't know how I missed something last time, but I did. Okay, let's try it. That's Bus, by the way. Bus is snoring. Okay, so let's see. Let's go with the washi tape first. So now you get washi, but now we'll see the washi tape. Ooh, very pretty florals. And then we have the die cuts. Felicity Jane. Oh, it's Lindsay. So Lindsay is this month's name. And then, oh, look at this stamp set. That is just beautiful. Oh, look at the love. It's really nice. Nice writing too. Nice cursive. Then you have epoxy hearts. Awesome. Oh, I love the hot pink. I've been loving hot pink. Oh, look at these. These are really heavy duty. So these are the chipboard alphabets. These are awesome. They're really heavy. You don't get numbers, just alphabets, so that's cool. Oh, look, I love rubber, the rubber embellishments. This one is, they call it Charms. Let me open it because it looks like some are hidden. Ah, look at that, some were hidden. Oh, look at that. I love the rubber. I love the rubber. This is so fun. Awesome, awesome. It's my favorite. Totally. Oh, what is this? Oh, look at this. Oh, I'm going to be going to PlannerCon next month in Burlingame, and I'm taking my Felicity Jane kits because I want to. I suffer from anxiety around people, around crowds, so I have to keep my hands busy. So I'm going to be playing in my TN, and I love doing that. Oh, I will be taking this kit. So I don't think I'm going to play with it until March because this is very awesome. Very, very awesome. Oh, look at the hearts. I like that. That's cool. You can write on that. Oh, you see, you can even cut that out. Plus, you cut it out. This is Us. Oh, I love that soundtrack. This is Us. Right, this is me. This is me, I think it is. From, what is it? The Greatest Showman. This is me. I think that's what it's called, right? This is me. I know the words, but not the title of the songs. How funny. Okay, so this is Lindsay Floral and Pinstripes. That's the back. I think most of them are all black and white on the back. And remember, I cut these down myself. I cut these down to standard dory size, which I think is 4x8. I think it's 4x8. Oh, look at that. That's a grid paper. Like a school paper. How cute is that? So I get a lot of use out of my papers. And the hearts, the black and white hearts. Oh, look at the circles. I like that. They're scribble circles. How cute. Oh, look at this. Love, love, loved. How cute. And then hearts. I love it. It's awesome. This is Peachy, Squiggles and Squares. Squares is spelled wrong. Squares. So maybe it's supposed to be like that, right? Squares, isn't it? S-Q-U-A-R-E-S? Now I'm confused. And then hot pink. Love that. I love the bottom too. And I love taking apart. Oh, look at that one. That one's nice. I love taking apart the bottoms, the little tags on. What are they called? This is the border or something, right? I like using those too. Alright, so that was it for the Felicity Jane kit. I love this kit. This one's awesome. This is my favorite so far. This is pretty cool. This right here and this right here have my heart. Alright guys, take care. I hope you liked it. Alrighty, we'll talk to you all later, next month. Alrighty.